Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjun Rao Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to get the benefit of the video, for to know which Bank Nifty levels has to be taken for to trade tomorrow. Okay, thanks for understanding. So now let's jump into the market. How the market has performed today. Nifty 50 has gained 18 points and has ended at 14956 points. Nifty Bank has gained 47 points and has ended at 35275 points. Nifty Next 50 has lost 59 points and has ended at 35199 points. Nifty Mid Cap has gained 12.75 points and has ended at 6977 points. Nifty Financial Services has lost 60 points and has ended at 16,285 points. If you see the advances and declines of Nifty 50, there are 27 advances and 23 declines under Nifty 50. Now let's see who are the top gainers under Nifty 50 for today. UPL has gained 7.08%, GAIL has gained 4.25%, LT has gained 3.42%, ONGC has gained 3.31%, SBI Life has gained 2.82%. At the same way, if you see the top 5 losers for under Nifty 50 are IndusInd Bank has lost 2.22%, Shree Cement has lost 2.19%, Bajaj Finance has lost 2.11%, Ultra Cement has lost 1.74%, Bajaj Auto has lost 1.50%. Now let's see who has majorly contributed for Bank Nifty today. Today, Axis Bank has contributed 57 points positive, SBI has contributed 41 points, and for the downfall of Bank Nifty, HDFC has contributed 83 points, IndusInd Bank has contributed 23 points, Kotak Bank has contributed 23 points, ICICI Bank has contributed 19 points. Majorly, these 6 banks has contributed for the upside and downside of the Bank Nifty today. Okay, these are the major banks who has contributed for the Bank Nifty. Now let's see uh, how our views performed today, which was given on Friday for today's trade, Bank Nifty today's trade. So on Friday the Bank Nifty has closed at 35,333 and today the market Bank Nifty has opened at 35,462 and I have given the buy call at 35,540. Our buy call was triggered here and I have given the targets as 35,610, 35,710, 35,810, 35,900 like that, 36,000. So today the Bank Nifty has made a high of 35,825. Hope you guys, there are around 300 plus points here. Hope you guys booked some profit in our call, in our views which was given for today's trade under Bank Nifty on Friday. Okay, and as I said, from 35,800, 35,700, 800, I said there may be a downfall will happen. As I said, the downfall was happened and there is a sideways here and the market tries to bounce again and it is not able to sustain there and again fell down. Okay, as I said, this gap has to be filled first then only you will be able to see the upside moment again. Okay, now let me share the views for tomorrow's trade under Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction for to trade is with Bank Nifty analysis would be, before sharing the views, I would like to request all the viewers, please like the button and share this video to friends and family members and well wishers. And I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe for to get the notifications whenever we post the updates. Thank you. If you feel this video has some value, please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members. And click on the subscribe button for to get the daily updates from us. For to get the daily updates, please click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you so much. So our Bank Nifty call for tomorrow's trade, that is 9th March 2021 would be, our Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our buy call will be activated at Bank Nifty at 35,410 for the target of 35,520, 35,590, 35,660, 35,720, 35,820, 35,910, 36,030, 36,130. As I always said, you should be very careful at 35 between 35,410 to 35,510. Maybe this gap has been as easily filled, but this gap has to be filled first, which is of 30 from 35,500 to 35,700. Once this gap is filled, and then only you will be able to see the upside moment from here, from above 35, from above 35,810. So this gap has to be filled first. After the moment of 35,800, then only there will be upside of the moment. Okay, now if the market goes on negative side, our sell call will be activated for the Bank Nifty would be, our sell call will be activated at 35,150 for the target of 35,000, 34,870, 34,720, 34,580, 34,440, 34,290, 34,000. These are the Bank Nifty levels for to trade tomorrow. And I request you to all the members, please be stick to our levels which was given in this video. I am always giving the views based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. The Bank Nifty has to fall under our levels only, so be patient to fell the Bank Nifty under our levels. Once the Bank Nifty has crossed our levels which was given now, then only you can take the buy call and sell call. Otherwise don't trade unnecessarily and lose your capital. Our capital is very precious. Okay, now let me share the Bank Nifty option for tomorrow. Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, once Bank Nifty has crosses this level, that is 35,410, 420, you can buy the strike price of 35,500 CE. And if the Bank Nifty is on negative side and it crosses this Bank Nifty level which is of 35,150, you can by the strike price of 35,000 PE. Okay, 35,500 CE and 35,000 PE. These two are the Bank Nifty options prediction for tomorrow based on the Bank Nifty option chain analysis for you. Okay, hope you guys like my video. Please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and family members and well wishers. And I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates. Thank you so much. Bye.